chickens went out to play on the farmyard far away. Mama hen called, cluck, cluck, cluck. One little chicken came running back. Four little chickens played in the sun, scratching the ground and having fun. Mama hen called, cluck, cluck, cluck. One little chicken came running back. Three little chickens pecked corn, happy and chirping since they were born. Mama hen called, cluck, cluck, cluck. One little chicken came running back. Two little chickens scratched the ground, looking for worms all around. Mama hen called, cluck, cluck, cluck. One little chicken came running back. One little chicken wandered alone, far from the coop and far from home. Mama hen called, cluck, cluck, cluck. All five chickens came running